Alicia Warwick, and I'm going to show you a bonfire tonight.
This
garden.
is our big bonfire in our garden. My daddy
That's
did.
My sister. She's
Hey.
also doing a video, and my daddy, where is he?
So
He's just super.
he is really good at bonfires.
He made this.
And remember,
Fireworks are in the sky.
remember,
I
don't put your clothes on. You like because it will get smelly.
Night after.
Because
Night after bonfire. 2 nights after. 2 nights after bonfire.
It's Friday, and yesterday it's Friday today, and yesterday it was bonfire night, and we couldn't do it because it was raining. So today we're gonna do our bonfire night.
It's because it's dark.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. There's not very good cameras on that.
So yeah.
I wish I could do like a.
Ooh. I'm gonna get back.
Stay away.
Nothing like a
It
bit of
really
white, does it?
stinks, Dad. So going, we got the fire.
I'll
So
stand
this
up
is my
here.
sister's video on our tab. It's not very clear on this. That's the fire on her tab. Dun-dun-dun. And then this is the fire on my tab.
This is very weird.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Wait. I'm gonna
After this
climb
video,
up to
please
the top of
subscribe.
my playhouse, and then I'll show you the view from there.
So me and my brother are gonna go up to the playhouse, and I'll show you the view up there. So this is the view up here by my tree house here. This is really little, you can't see it because it's really dark. So yeah, this is my tree house.
We're going to be quiet for a while.
Now we're going to be quiet for a while. And
After my sister finishes talking.
I'll let you watch this cool
3,
thing.
2, 1. Shut up. We're not going to be quiet. Because you guys are going to get really bored. My camera is just so bright. The fire is really
Look at mine.
see-through.
Look at mine. That is really, really.
Whoa, it's blue on my screen.
Let me see.
The fire is
Let's
really clear. The fire is clear on in the real life. As you can see, it's the top. Where is it?
So after, please subscribe if you like this.
You can see it's quite.
Because this is really cool. Or if you don't like it, put a thumbs down.
It's quite see-through. So I know I said I might do 1 minute, but this is about 4 minutes.
I said this, well, this is going to be for 10 minutes, I was going to say, but it's so beautiful up here. I haven't done it for 2 minutes, but please subscribe and thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like it, or thumbs up for if you do like it. Bye!